Here we are at the Vinexpo, setting up. Everything is going as planned. The floor is down. The frames are going up. They're putting on the second level. It's a 10-foot frame. It's going to be a center tower. There's going to be a bunch of counters. We have vinyl floor down. All the furniture is over there. There's going to be plenty of updates on this video, but it's a 12-foot by 29-foot booth, which is also an island booth. It's going to have a hanging sign when it's all said and done. It's at the main entrance here at the new building at the Javits Center in New York City. And there's going to be a lot of good wine here, because I see we got the Czech Republic next to us. We're Brazil. We have France right there. Argentina. I mean, this place is going to be really going with wine. Everything Tradeshows.com, 954-791-8882. I'm Chris Chase. I'll be sending more videos later. Thank you.